Let's have a look at the content library. Now, the content library is basically a space whereby your teachers will put in OneNote pages. You can look at them, you can't edit them, you can't delete them. You by all means can read them, but you can also take copies of them. Now, your teacher may choose to actually distribute your work, which means that in your section, so let's pretend this here is your section that you are student one, is that your work will appear in the section groups or like these little folders that your teacher sets up, and they'll distribute them to you automatically. But sometimes you might also want to take content from the content library, which is this one here at the top. Now, what you want to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to practice taking a copy of this and placing it into your My Subject section. So there are some pages in here already. They are for a separate activity, but we're going to practice this. So let's have a look. We have this counting activity here, and this is where it belongs. So what we do is we want to right click on it, and you'll have this option to kind of move or copy. Whoops, let's me just quickly fix that. But most of the time, it's just easier to click on your options here to copy that. So we're going to click to copy, and then we're going to go to where I want it. So in this example, we're going to go to my student and my subject. And then I'm just going to come over here to this bar where our pages live. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go paste. And that is the fastest way to move content from the content library into your section. And what you will notice in your class notebook is that then you will have a copy of this, but you'll actually be able to edit it and make changes to it. So I want you to have a go. Coming here, I want to copy the page from the content library and then to paste it here into the My Subject section under Student 1.